Hello dear Libra, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. Before we begin our reading for the month of October 2020, I request all the Librans to please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and do share my videos also. Yeah. And before I begin, I also like to wish all the Librans a very happy birthday. This is your month Libra. And now let's begin with the reading, and here I have your cards with me. Okay. So, of course, there is a celebration ahead. There is a celebration this month, maybe your birthday celebration, or it can be a family unite, family get together, friends get together, or some sort of. If you are planning for some wedding, also maybe there is a possibility of that as well. So there is a kind of celebration coming your way. You will also be having good moments with your life partner if you are already engaged, if you're married. If not, also I'm seeing you are going to have some wonderful moments, some really good moments with your with someone close to you. Right, so overall you see it's a good time. It's like a party time for you this month again. So that this probably some family event might also take place if yeah, that's a possibility here, Libra. And then looking going through other cards, what I'm seeing here is you are you see, you have blocked your vision. It's not by someone else, but it's your own thing. I mean, your own perceptions, you are not able to go with it. See, you are not able to look forward. You are y- uh, no, you are in a position, I mean, you are somewhere seems to be dependent on someone, and this is what is not allowing you to see the reality. So, dear Librans, I then advise you to, just consider this. Um, just look for it into maybe a friend of yours or a family member, or you see you are the things are not clear to you. You are little confused, not able to make any decision. You're dealing with some kind of internal conflict also at this moment, and which is also causing you lot of stress, probably. Yeah, you're not able to sleep nights, unsleepy nights, and some kind of stress you are going through this month. You may be going through, and I guess you are carrying this burden from past month only. So just be little cautious about it. This is what no, the stress that is causing you. The card says that the stress that is causing you, it's because of your inability, is because of you are you are not accepting what is real, what is realistic. You are not accepting. Sometimes it do happen that we want results to be the way that we want to have, but where the reality might be different. So here I am seeing that you are not able to accept something here. So try to open up yourself, Libra. Yeah. And this is what is causing so much conflict within you. So just try to release that conflict. Try to release that worry, that anxiety also. Yeah, Libra. And then I have your energy card with me here, Angel of Balance. Wow. So this is more a Libra card, and with your birthday month, uh, what more to have then? That's such a wonderful energy here with you, which is bringing you to balance. Libra are already known for the balanced energy, and then probably because of these issues, because of these worries and all, maybe you have gone imbalanced. Maybe you are not balanced yourself. You are not in a balanced position, and this is again the angel is here. This energy is here to bring you back to balance, both internal and external balance, which you can experience this month. Moreover, you see, you are going to be back to yourself. So make good use of this energy. See, you have to open up yourself to use this energy also. It's not that it will happen by itself. You have to look for more possibilities. You have to open up yourself and take this balanced energy and use this energy which is with you now. Okay. And then I have your guidance from the angels. Such a wonderful guidance here, trustworthy guidance. So the card says, like, you have received a wonderful idea as an answer to your prayers. This idea is real and trustworthy. You can safely move forward with it, knowing that we are with you every step of the way. Ask for and be open to receiving our support for anything that you need related to this idea. Wow. So this is like, you see, trustworthy guidance. Angels are here to guide you. To they have or might have already sensed that you are going through some confusion. You are going through some imbalanced energy. So here they are here with us now to guide you, to say that yes, you don't have to be so much confused about it, you don't have to worry so much about it, and just go with the idea that you have. This idea is real and trustworthy. Okay, so this is more like, believing yourself. And because the problems, the problem that you're facing, the issues that is not allowing you to sleep, is the solution to this is with you, dear Libra, which you are not able to see. So expand your vision. And this is here the guidance comes with the angels also. What more do we want, isn't it? So that's a very lovely message from the angels here, as in, okay. So yeah, that is what I would like to say for this month for you, dear Libra. And before I wind up my reading, I once again wish you a very happy birthday and have a great time. Do let me know your reviews, honest review from your end under this video, okay, in the comment section. Yeah, thank you so much for joining me here. I really wish you good luck. Bye bye, take care.